Hello all, welcome to day 10's Build Habit session. So in this session, I am giving you a task to improve your grammar. So now we are going to improve our grammar. So for that we have to develop some habits. What we have to do, we have to focus on essential grammar rules and practice them through exercises. We should do grammar exercises repeatedly, small grammar portions that you have to include in your daily activity and get your grammar skills boosted. And one more thing you have to do is that you should avoid overthinking grammar while speaking. That is, you should not think, oh, I don't know grammar, I don't know anything, so I don't know to speak like that. You should not think like that. You have to avoid overthinking that. All these things are secondary only. Okay, you can start getting fluency first, then we look into that in detail. So develop this habit, try to bring some grammar contents daily into your activities. Okay. Today I'll be giving you again six new words so that you can improve your vocabulary. So the first word is agree. What is the meaning of the word agree? To have the same opinion or to accept a situation or idea. That is the meaning of the word agree. We usually use this word, right? I agree with you. I agree your suggestion. I agree your opinion. All those things I will use. No, so we can try to understand that in detail with example sentences. First sentence, do you agree with the plan? One person is asking, do you agree with the plan? Are you okay with the plan, like that? And answer is yes, it's a good strategy. Another person is replying, yes, it is a very good strategy. And the next sentence is, we should leave early to avoid traffic. One person is suggesting that we should leave early to avoid traffic. And the listener is telling that, yes, I agree. That is a smart idea. I also support that. I also agree with your idea. That is a very smart idea. That is the meaning of the word agree, and it is very simple also. Now, the next word for you is call it a day. Call it a day. That is the next word for you. And the meaning is to decide to stop working on something, usually after completing enough for the day. That is, if we are working the whole day and we are pausing it for a moment and we are telling that, yeah, let's call it for a day. That means we can end it today and we'll restart tomorrow. That is the meaning of the usage of the word call it a day. And some examples include, we have been working on this project since morning. Shall we call it a day? That is, someone is telling, or our manager is telling that we are working on this project for so much of time and now we can call it a day. That means let's wind up today's session. We'll start tomorrow. Now, the next example is, it's already 7 p.m. Let's call it a day. Good idea. I'm exhausted. Another person, like let it be a team head or a manager of a company, telling that it's already 7 p.m. We have crossed the our time limit, so we are ending today. Let's call it a day and we'll start from tomorrow. That is the usage of call it a day, and it is a very nice usage, and note it down. And next word is apologize. Apologize, the meaning is to express regret for mistake or wrongdoing. That is, if we are doing some mistakes to someone and we are telling that I apologize to you, means that I am really sorry, sorry for the mistake that I did. And some examples include, I apologize for being late. That's okay, it happens. One person is coming late or going late to his or her class and telling that, ma'am, I really apologize for coming late. What is it meant? That means that I'm really sorry. That person is asking sorry to the teacher for being late. That is the meaning for the word apologize. And now one more sentence is, he apologized for the inconvenience caused. That's considerate of him. That means what, someone has did some wrong thing or some mistake happened from one person's end, and he's telling that I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused, really for the mistake happened from my end, so really sorry for doing that. That is the usage called apologize. Got it? So this word is also useful in our daily lives. Okay. Now the next word is reasonable. That is also very useful in our daily lives. That means fair, sensible, or acceptable in a particular situation. We'll look into the examples and I will explain it in detail. The price of this jacket is reasonable for its quality. Yes, it's a good deal. Whenever we are buying some jacket and we are getting it on a good price, that is reasonable price and the quality is very nice. So what we can tell, I got this jacket for this price, and since the quality is good, that is a good buy for me. That is a profitable buy for me. That is what the word reasonable means. Next example, do you think the teacher's expectations are reasonable? Yes, they are achievable with some effort. What is it? Teacher is like expecting something, and others are telling that, yeah, this madam is expecting these much things from her students. And is it okay? Is it reasonable? And what others are telling that, yes, they are achieved. That can be achieved, or that can be easily gained by good effort or good hard work. That is the word reasonable. And here comes the next word, and we use it in our daily lives always. That is explain. Explain, that means to make something clear by describing it in detail. Explain means talking about one particular thing in a detailed manner. Okay, so examples include, can you explain how this machine works? Sure, let me show. I'm going to one shop and I'm ready to buy a washing machine, and I'm asking the customer support team there that, can you explain this, or can you show how this machine works? So they will tell, yes, I'll surely help you. That is the meaning of the word explain. That is that customer support people will be showing the detailed working of the washing machine. That is the thing. Now, the next example is, the teacher explained the concept very well. Yes, I finally understand it. We are like, students are having a doubt, and teachers will be explaining it in detail. That means student teachers will be revising that portion again, giving another examples, another context, and with practical examples also. And the teacher is explaining more and more. That is the explained way of teaching. That is, in a detailed manner, the teacher is taking class by pointing out examples, by showing it in the monitor and all those things. So teacher is explaining, giving a detailed picture. That is the meaning of the word explain. Now, the next word is not my cup of tea, and the meaning is used to say that something is not your liking or preference. That means if we are not interested in one particular thing, or that is not suiting your likes and interests, we can say it's not my cup of tea. Okay, so we'll explain it with some examples. Do you enjoy watching horror movies? Not really. They are not my cup of tea. One person is asking another person that, do you watch horror movies? Then what the other person is replying, no, no, I don't actually like such horror movies and all. I don't watch horror movies. I just ignore. And that is not my cup of tea. That is not my choice. That is not my area of interest. That is what the person is replying by using the word not my cup of the tea. Or it's not actually the word, it's a usage. Okay, and see the one more example written here. I tried playing chess, but it's not my cup of tea. One man is telling that, once I played chess, and that time I felt that it is not suiting me, or it's not up to my likes and interest. I like cricket or football, like that person is conveying. And what the listener is replying, that's okay, everyone has different interests. The listener is telling that, yeah, everyone is having different interests. No, so that you can go to your like, or you can practice your in area of interest. That is, if you are interested in football, you can do that, or if you are interested in hockey, you can do that. And when you played chess, if you felt it is not working for you, so you can just avoid that. Okay, that is what cup of not my cup of tea means, and it is a very good usage, and you can try practicing it in your daily conversations. Very nice usage also. So note it down somewhere. Now the vocabulary activity is here for you. What you have to do, you have given 6 new words and you know the meaning, where to use all those things that you know. And now you should construct sentences using each words, and you can record the audio of the sentences and send it to your personal trainer and ask their trainer to get it corrected, so that you can understand where all you made mistakes. Okay, so don't miss the task. If you are okay to construct more than one sentence, it's well and good. Go for that. You can send it to your trainer and get it corrected. So all the very best for the task.